Welcome back to Hot Car Track and another unboxing. This one comes out of Tasmania. This is from KC from Metal Mania 3D and the Diecast Workshop. You've seen KC race around the track in Lambos and other tournaments, and in this box is some Road Warriors customs, so let's get into it. There's the unboxing and there's the complete contents. Right up the top here are 4 customs, which we'll get to in a minute after this lot. Straight away we'll get into some diorama. Now KC said this is for your track, mate, do what you want. As diorama around the track. So this one is a fire engine. There are a couple of fire engines. Let's have a look at this one. The Matchbox stuff, I've never seen these ones. Actually no, I do have this. I've got a second-hand one of those. I think it's a bit beaten up. So that'll add to the other one. You little ripper, KC. And let's have a look at this one here on my right-hand side. Some kind of green truck, a street cleaner, street sweeper. City of Services, that's what we need on Mount Western Raceway to keep the place clean and pick up all the riff-raff. Well done, mate. And here's another Matchbox. This is a white Lambo. KC reckons this could be the lead car for all the winners that win all the tournaments on the track. I like the idea, and we might employ this car with a driver in the near future. What do you reckon about customising this one, KC? How would it go? Next up are the 4 customs. Now, if you've been following KC over at his YouTube channel, he has been customising these, and he's put out a couple of his, which I will leave a link down below in the description. Go over there and have a look at his build and the whole progress from getting from Tasmania to here. So I reckon let's get into it and have a look at this first one here. As a kid, I always wanted one of these Datsun wagons for real. This one here is a 1971 Datsun wagon, the 510 wagon. And look at the job he's done on this. Beautiful decals. I love the colour. Look at the flag. KC, I need some flags. I'll email you later about this. I'm not sure on the weight of this vehicle, however, this will be weighed prior to racing, but knowing KC, he's stuck within the guidelines of 120 grand limit to race in Road Warriors. This does have a driver, and that will be revealed when we get going in a couple of weeks. Look at that wheel spin. Holy moly, Batman. Oh yeah, you got a good chance of doing something with this car here, mate. Well done. Moving into the next one, this is the green Vw Beetle. This is a custom again, heading into Road Warriors. This is number 17 he's got the decals there. Nice job. I think it's original paint job. Got a fair bit of weight in this, so it'll be interesting to see how it goes around the track. As I mentioned in yesterday's video, we're just waiting on the Postal Service to catch up, and once that happens, well then we can proceed to build the tournament and start racing. So we just have to be patient while all this happens. Heading into the last 2 custom for Road Warriors. These are both Hot Wheels cars and they're both called Riveted. Let's look at the first one. This is the 6605. Really nice colour blue this. It really stands out amongst the red and the black on the side of the body. Big engine block sticking out and the Aussie flag just there. Go Australia. What a cracker of a car. I've actually never seen this one before, and you've managed to put some nice weight in this. And it's a very tidy job you've done. Your work is very exceptional. So, moving into the next one. This is exactly the same car, except a little bit lighter blue. And I love the decals on this. And it looks like maybe you've done a wheel swap on this. And I did forget to mention whether the other one had wheel swaps. And the weight, oh yeah, they feel around about the same. All in all, another mighty car and a fantastic collection all the way from Metal Mania 3D out of Tasmania. If you're not familiar with the way Road Warriors works, it goes like this. It's only 1 car per team, and we're limited to 8 vehicles per season. So even though KC has sent in 4 excellent custom vehicles for Road Warriors, only one of these will go into Season 2, and of course, the next one will go into Season 3, and then Season 4 and Season 5. So that's the way to do it. He sent in 4, it's cost effective, and it has secured him for quite a long racing career right here in Road Warriors. A big shout out to KC from Metal Mania 3D from Tassie. Thank you so much for sending the customs in, along with all the other diorama that we'll use around the track, and you'll see those in future videos, you little ripper. So go check out KC and all his social media outlets, and don't forget, KC also has a fantastic website that you might find something there that you've been looking for. So until next time, I'll catch you later, and keep on racing.